Loka Samastha Sukhino Bhavantu. Hello everyone. Thank you so much for watching. This is Amrita. Before we get on with today's video, please do subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon. In today's video, we are going to see how to get spiritually evolved. So let's get started. So by spirituality here, I mean the connection between you and something that is very bigger than you. To find out the purpose and the meaning of your life. So here are some ways that you can get spiritually evolved. Let's get started. The first step is to examine your thoughts and examine your belief. You have to figure out how you look at life, how you look at things in life, what is the purpose of your life. Only then we can decide the next step as to how you can get evolved as a human being, how you can get matured and evolve yourself further. So first is to examine your own thoughts. The next step is to forgive. I know there are a lot of people who've hurt you, who've betrayed you, who've insulted you, who've looked down to you which you do not deserve. But you know what? Just let go of the feeling. Just forgive them. Not because they deserve it, but because you deserve mental peace. You deserve to be satisfied. You deserve to be happy. You don't deserve to hold on grudges. So when you forgive, when you let go of the negativity inside you, you tend to become a more positive person, which in turn helps you to evolve spiritually. The next is to start asking questions. Start asking questions for everything. You need to know the whys and whats of everything. For instance, you have to know why are you doing something, what makes you really happy. At the end of the day, what do you want from life? Even after death, how do you want people to talk about you? Only if you know the answers to these questions, you can start working towards it. You shouldn't do anything just because you're doing it. You should actually know the reason and the things behind you're doing so that you can have a clear clarity of how you want your life to be. The next is to find inner peace. I know it is not easy to find inner peace, but the moment you start being satisfied with everything that you have in life, with the material things, be it materialistic or your career, your growth, the way you look at life, the way you lead it, if you're satisfied with whatever you have from within, it leads to pure bliss. You find peace within yourself. You need not search it outside anywhere. It's inside you. You have to search for it. So try to find for peace, find for inner peace. That will really help. The next is meditation. Start with 2 to 5 minutes every single day. I'm sure you can spare 2 to 5 minutes every day for your good, for your growth as a human being. It will be very, very difficult in first. Actually, what is meditation? Meditation is concentration on one particular thing. Actually, what is meditation? Meditation is concentration on one particular thing. That one thing can be anything for you. You can take it to be the universe or your favorite god. If not, just positive energy. If not, your soul or anything for that matter. Just concentrate on just one thing which will clear away, which will take away all the other thoughts, all the other negative thoughts away from you and keep your mind calm and relaxed. It will be very difficult in the beginning, in the initial stages, but once you start doing it, I am sure you'll find a lot of changes inside. There will be changes in you before you started meditating. There will be changes in you before you started meditating and after. So I hope you get to see the changes. Finally, you can surrender yourself to one supreme soul, to someone who is really greater than you. I personally believe there's a positive energy that is greater than me. So I surrender to that energy. You can choose to surrender to one person, like it might be your favorite god or the universe or the positive energy or your soul or anything. As kids, when we grew up, we had surrendered ourselves completely to our respective mothers. They used to take care of everything about us and we did not worry about anything. Just study, play, eat, sleep, and that's it. They used to take care about our eating, sleeping, making us study till, feeding us, everything they used to take care. So when we surrendered to our mothers, we were happy. Everything was happening good. We were taken care of very well. Similarly, when you surrender your life, we surrendered our childhood to our mothers. But when we surrender our life to that one supreme soul or that one thing which is greater than you, your entire life will be taken care of. He will or that person or that energy will take care that your life goes on smoothly and you need not worry about anything. So that's it. I hope these points do help you in evolving yourself as a human being. If it did, then please do let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, then please like, share, subscribe, and until I see you in my next video, bye from Amrita. And remember, be true to yourself always. Thank you.